have to look and see. I'm not sure if I got the shot on video. I am bummed. I've never shot a black bear before. I am so excited right now. I'm gonna give him a little bit and get down and see what I got. Stay tuned. Alright, now that I've calmed down a little bit, this bear at 5 yards behind me, and I'm pretty sure I heard him go down. I'm gonna hunt for a little bit longer. I don't know if I'll sit till dark, but I've got some friends coming to help me get him. So I'll be sure to video the recovery and let y'all know what's happening. I went ahead and decided to get down. My friends will meet me real soon, so I'm not gonna hunt the rest of the evening. I'm just gonna concentrate on getting that bear out of the woods. Well, I'm back home right now. I decided to leave the bear lay overnight. I'm gonna go back in daylight to get it. My friends came and we went to go get it. We were on the blood trail and it was good. We did find where it's expired at, but there was another bear still in the area and we couldn't get it to leave, so we just decided to back out and we're gonna come back in daylight. So hopefully it's a little safer for us and the bear will be gone. But I made a real good shot. It was an easy blood trail, so should be back in the morning. I'll let you guys know. Back this morning, finally got him. We're dragging him out. It's only about a 50-yard drag to the truck, but we're getting it. Well, here he is. Finally drug him out. Getting ready to put him in the truck. That's my first bear. He's a real good size for my first one, I'd say. All right, we're about to get it into the truck. I'm just grabbing a couple things left up in the woods, but let me know what you guys think of the video. Like I said, it's my first bear, so pretty excited about it. Excited to share it with y'all. Thank you.